is what Japanese police will look like in the year 2060. Samurai precision meets cyberpunk technology. Robot officers that never rest. Vehicles faster than fighter jets. And weapons so advanced, they feel like magic. But this isn't anime, this isn't fantasy. This is Japan's vision of the future. Where honor meets artificial intelligence, where tradition becomes technology. Welcome to Japan Police 2060. In 2060, Japanese police don't drive cars, they pilot mechs. Meet the Cabin M-12, Japan's primary patrol unit, part police cruiser, part giant robot, pure Japanese engineering. Height 18 feet when standing, weight 12 tons of carbon titanium alloy, power source, fusion core with 0 emissions, and it transforms. Mech mode deploys in for 0.3 seconds, bipedal combat stance, 360-degree sensor array, articulated arms with weapon hardpoints. But here's what makes it Japanese. The design is pure minimalism. White armor plating with red accent lines, inspired by samurai armor but streamlined. No wasted space, no unnecessary details. Every surface serves a function. Integrated weapons, left arm, deployable energy riot shield, creates hard light barrier stopping anything. Traditional Japanese Mon symbol glows in center. Right arm, precision stun beam red. Variable power from sleep to paralysis. Never lethal, never permanent damage. Because in Japan, even police robots follow Bushido. Shoulder-mounted holographic projectors can display calming messages in 47 languages, cherry blossom patterns for crowd control, or stern warnings in glowing red kanji. Movement systems, those legs, not just for show, magnetic grip feet can walk up buildings. Jump 40 feet vertically in mech mode, sprint at 60 miles per hour. And every unit has a pilot, human officer in neural interface suit, connected directly to mech sensors, feels what the robot feels, sees through its cameras, becomes the machine. But mechs are just the beginning. When speed matters, Japan doesn't mess around. Based on their bullet train technology, but designed for one thing, catching anyone. 0 to 600 mph, 8 seconds, top speed, 720 miles per hour. Weapon systems, non-lethal only. The body is pure aerodynamic perfection, sleek white polymer shell, red racing stripes down the center, glowing blue magnetic levitation rings, no wheels, hovers to feet above any surface. At full speed, it creates a sonic boom, but here's the genius. Quantum AI calculates 10,000 escape routes per second, chooses optimal intercept point, gets there before the suspect. In Japan, you don't outrun the police. The police are already waiting where you're going. Electromagnetic net launcher fires web of hard light energy, wraps around target vehicle, harmlessly brings it to stop. Neural dampener beam safely puts drivers to sleep. They wake up in custody with no injuries. Every pursuit craft has a hologram projector, can display a virtual police officer, negotiates with suspects in real time, shows them they can't escape. offers peaceful surrender. Japan created something no one expected because hoverbike means wind. And that's exactly what it feels like. Length, 7 feet of pure performance. Weight, 340 pounds. Propulsion, for vectoring ion thrusters, the design is art, flowing organic curves, white body width, illuminated red tribal patterns, looks like it's moving even when standing still, and it's almost silent, whisper-quiet electric motors can patrol at 150 miles per hour, making less noise than a whisper. Maneuverability, can rotate 360 degrees while hovering, fly between buildings in tight spaces, climb vertically up skyscraper walls, hover perfectly still at any altitude. Officers riding these aren't just pilots, they're enhanced, neural interface helmet connects to. Bike, thanks to turn, bike responds instantly, augmented reality visor shows everything, threat, detection, traffic analysis, suspect profiles. But these officers don't work alone. Remember robot police dogs? Japan took it to the next level. Meet Shiba Mech Patrol Companions. Based on Japanese Shiba Inu dogs, but entirely robotic. Height, 3 feet at shoulder. Speed, 80 miles per hour sprint. Power, 72-hour battery life. Sensor suite, can smell explosives at 300 feet. Thermal vision sees through walls. Audio sensors detect heartbeats. Never gets tired. Never gets scared. And then there are the androids, full humanoid police robots. You can't tell them from humans. Synthetic skin that feels real, eyes that show emotion, facial expressions perfectly natural. But Japan's greatest innovation isn't robots, it's what they carry, the Raiden Blade. A police katana made of hard light energy, 3 feet of concentrated photonic energy, can cut through steel like paper, or set to stun mode for non-lethal takedowns, because even in 2060, Japan honors the samurai. Holographic restraints. Officers can project hard light handcuffs, appear out of thin air, lock around suspects' wrists, impossible to break, weightless to carry. Neural pacifier, the most controversial weapon, emits harmless electromagnetic pulse, temporarily shuts down aggression centers in brain, suspects become calm and cooperative. Effects were off in 20 minutes. No violence, no injuries, just compliance. But all this technology creates one question. How do they coordinate all this? Meet Amateur Sue, Japan's police AI goddess, named after the sun goddess, and she sees everything. Monitoring systems, 87 million cameras across Tokyo, facial recognition on every street, quantum computers processing in real time, every citizen tracked, every movement logged. Central AI predicts crime before it happens, analyzes social media for threats, monitors purchase patterns, tracks unusual behavior, deploys units preemptively. Japan didn't just create the future of policing, they created police that honor their culture. Powerful, but respectful, advanced, but traditional, lethal capability, but non-lethal philosophy. So that's Japan Police 2060, robot mechs walking city streets, bullet train speed pursuits, energy katanas and holographic restraints, AI predicting every crime, the most advanced police force on Earth, and the most polite. Because in Japan, even the future bows, USA showed us military might. Japan shows us technological harmony. Which one would you rather have protecting you? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to see DUB AI Police 2060, the richest police force in the world, gold-plated, hovercrafts and diamond surveillance, hit that subscribe button right there. Next week, Dubai Pure. Luxury meets law enforcement. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Japan Police 2060.